Hello friends, so in this video, I'll show you how to get a simple website using Django. So let's get started. Okay, now create a folder on OpenCMD. First, we need to create a virtual environment. For that, pip install virtual env. Now, Python -m virtual env. Now here you can see a folder has been created. Now we need to activate our environment. For that, env backslash scripts activate. Okay, our environment has been activated. Now we need to install Django. For that, we can install Django. Okay, now we need to create a project in Django. For that, Django admin start project. Now we need to give our app name. I'm gonna give simple project. Now we need to go to this folder. For that, cd simple project. Now Python manage.py start app. Here you have to give your app name. I'm gonna give simple app. To open a VS Code, just type code space dot. Here you can see our folders. Okay, now we need to create a folder named urls.py. For that, new file urls.py. Now go to urls.py in simple project. Just copy this one and paste here. Now you don't want this, just erase this and type name equal to home page. Okay, now go to views.py. Now we have to import HTTP response. For that, from django.http import HTTP response. Now create a function. Let me say greet request return HTTP response h1 tag hello friends, closing tag. The core provider here will be shown your website. For that, go to urls.py and import views. For that, from dot import views. Now here views dot greet comma. We need to connect these two urls.py. For that, open this urls.py. Now comma include, and here path empty quotes comma include in quotes type simple apps dot urls. So let's run this again. Open your CMD and type Python manage.py, run server, and copy this one and paste it in your browser. Here you can see the hello friends has been printed, which has been given here. Now open apps.py and copy this one and go to settings.py in simple project and inside the installed apps, give your app name and paste your copied one. Okay, my app name is simple app, not simple project. Let me change that. Now inside the simple app folder, create another folder named templates and inside the templates, create a folder named simple project. And inside the simple project, create HTML folder, HTML file, name it as index.html. Now go to views.py and remove that one and type render request and in quotes give the file name, which is simple project, and slash your HTML file name index.html. Now what left is HTML part, so let me skip this. This is my HTML code, so let's run this code again. So before that, break the server, press Ctrl C. Now type Python manage.py, run server, and copy this one and paste in your browser. So this is the website I have created using HTML and Python. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.